Okay, everyone, if you tamper with the fire alarms in my house, you are going to go to jail right away. Staying in jail, nothing, because it is against the law to tamper with the fire alarms in my house. I actually have two fire alarms in my house. I have a horn strobe right here and a remote strobe in one of the drawers in my desk. And you don't tamper with any of them. Do not play with my fire alarms or else you will go to jail. Do you want that? No. Then do not play with my fire alarms. Simple as that. Goodbye.